The newly crowned Australian of the Year plans to use her position to campaign for better awareness about health issues. Media queen Ita Buttrose says she wants to remove the stigma attached to dementia.
I doubt there are very few, if any, Australians who haven't been touched one way or the other by this disease.
Ita says being named Australian of the Year is one of the proudest moments of her life. A proud day too for those chosen to receive the Order of Australia. A surgeon, coach and cricket commentator among those honoured. Brett McLeod reports.
Few coaches of any sport in Australia have had the success of Norma Plummer. The former Coach of the Year guided Australian netball teams to local, national and world championship wins for 4 decades, but says today's award is hard to beat.
To get that honour placed on you, it's a real, well, it is just fantastic.
A surgeon who's shown a lot of heart and saved many more, Andrew Cochrane, rewarded for his volunteer work in third world countries.
I get mainly a lot of satisfaction. I guess that's the first thing, satisfaction from helping patients.
Australia's Clive James starts 2013 with a gong for services to literature, while cricket commentator Jim Maxwell's been rewarded after a classy innings. Former Foreign Minister Alexander Downer has been honoured for his work in international relations and humanitarian aid.
When people talk about the achievements of somebody who was a minister, you've got to think about all the people who made that possible. They put up with me and showed great patience, and so I feel very humble about it.
Across the political divide, former Whitlam government minister, one-time prisoner of war Tom Uren, recognised for his work helping the veterans community.
Giving and serving the human family is the greatest achievement you can make.
Brett McLeod, 9 News.
Well, to other news now.